The Shear Wizard software program is designed to be truly user-friendly for setup, programming, and operation of a hydraulic or mechanical CNC shear, with all the functions that you require located at the top ribbon of the program. Parts, materials, manual control, maintenance parameters, and electronic work instructions can all be simply and easily accessed on one screen. To program a new part, select File, New, enter the material type. Blade gap and rake angle position, if your machine has these optional features, will be automatically programmed based on the selected material and material type. Next, select the number of cuts for this step of the program, the quantity of the parts you want to shear, and the width of the blank. Enter the back gauge position or front gauge position in either absolute or incremental mode. Copy the current step to create a second step in the program. When all of the program steps are complete, hit Save and give the program a name and save the part in the same way you would any Microsoft Word or Excel document, and finally hit Run to execute the program. To add an electronic work instruction to guide the operator in running the program, click on the Notes button. Enter text and a graphic to create a shear work instruction to guide the operator in running a particular part, then click Save. To add a new material, click on the Material screen, click on New, enter the material data and corresponding knife and rake, and then save the material. To calibrate or jog the machine in manual mode, click on the Manual button. The maintenance screen allows you to monitor machine alarms, status, and all the digital inputs to the machine and digital outputs from the control. And that's how simple it is to program, set up, and run parts in our graphical PC-based Shear Wizard control and software. For more information on the Shear Wizard program and for upgrading the control on your CNC Shear for improved productivity, contact us by calling the following phone number or email us for further information and a free software demo.